Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going straight into settings to remove touch noise. First, unlock the iPhone and open settings, then tap sounds and haptics. Scroll down to find keyboard clicks and system haptics. These are the two sources of touch sound. Turn off keyboard clicks with the slider to stop keypress noise immediately. If you also hear other interface taps, toggle system haptics off. That disables slight vibrations and many touch sounds. Doing these first removes most audible feedback quickly and cleanly. Once the basic toggles are off, refine audio behavior so nothing slips through. Lower ringer and alerts volume or set it to 0 so notifications don't produce touch-like blips. Flip the side silent switch to mute most system noises. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus mode is configured if you want scheduled quiet times. For persistent sounds, open accessibility, tap touch, and inspect additional settings. Some apps use assistive sounds that you can disable there. These steps finish by restarting the iPhone so all changes apply and any app cache is clear. A quick reboot often resolves lingering audio. After reboot, test the keyboard and tap around common apps to confirm touch sounds are gone. If you still hear clicks, return to settings and double-check the toggles, then try reset all settings as a last resort. This preserves data but restores system defaults. If that fails, update iOS or contact Apple support. They can diagnose hardware or software anomalies that cause persistent sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.